Hey YouTube, this is a kind of a fix-it video for the Creative P7800 7.1 surround sound. I bought it used. I don't know how long it was used before I got it, but I've had it probably about 2 years now. And recently I upgraded my sound card, and I have the Creative XFI titanium in there, PCIe times 1. Great sound card, by the way. But when I put it in, my sound kept fluctuating, and it was really aggravating me. At first, I thought it was sound card. I kept playing with my raiostat for my speakers, and determined that that was the problem. So I'm going to show you how to fix that in case any of y'all have this problem, so you don't, have to go through sound cards or trash your entire sound setup because your sound's fluctuating, and it's extremely annoying listening to music and having the level of audio drop and increase. It's extremely annoying. So, let me just show you. Okay, this is the raiostat. Okay, as you can see, it's still plugged in. This cord right here goes into the back of your woofer / amp. Okay, this is the shell right here. So this would go just like that on top of here. So you can see the light shining through. And the top wheel right here is the wheel that controls your volume. Now I took the whole thing apart to determine that I didn't even need to take it apart. So I'm not going to show you how to do that. But if you look, let me try to focus this so you can get it better. Okay, if you look, this screw still has some type of green glue attached to it and the wheel, whereas this one is not attached. It's because this one I unscrewed to get to the inside of the raiostat. I took it apart, and there is a C-clamp on the back of here. See it? Right there. Little annoying C-clamp. Took me about 10 minutes to get off to determine that there's nothing wrong on the inside. So all you need to do is look at your raiostat, look at the back of it. There's 3 small Phillips size screws, this size. Okay, you need to unscrew those, and the raiostat is going to be inside of this enclosure, and you're going to need to remove a long screw right there. So you remove that, and this slides out. After that, you need to flip it over. If you want to unplug it right here, it's probably stupid of me doing this with it still plugged in, but I haven't fried anything, so I'm doing good. Tighten this screw. It's a regular screw, but it looks green because it has green glue, I guess, to keep it attached, kind of like a Loctite to keep it attached to the wheel. Tighten that, and it should fix your problems. Let's see, let me play something. Okay, as you can see, the volume stays consistent when I'm banging around. That's what I was trying to show you, so that the volume does not fluctuate at all. I hope this helps any of y'all that have the same problem as me. And comment if you have any questions. Thank you.